Assalamualaikum friends, here is 500 premium font file. These files are in TTF and OTF file, and password in this app, go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime all password in this app. Okay, so here is a Avila font. You see, like a signature font, you can install and write any text. Next is this. Wow. And amazing. Rusa. For example, install this. Reloads. Photoshop, create new, right, channel name, reload. In small letter, and here is a capital letter digit. Okay, she got like a wow signature font. Okay, stand out, wow, a bold font. And here is a oh okay, sunflower font. All fonts are premium and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime all password in this app. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Allah Hafiz.